guys! Welcome back to my channel. So here we are now in Mount Pinatubo. Naglalakad kami guys. Ang sabi ng tour guide namin, mahigit 2 oras. Mahigit 2 oras na paglalakad. Nahulog pa ako sa tubig guys. Basag-basa na yun sa tags. Ang bilis nilang maglakad. Hello guys! Welcome to Pinatubo Crater Lake. Guys, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Naglakad kami almost 2 hours. Ang swerte namin kasi maganda ang weather, hindi maulan. It's sunny day. What do you say, honey, to the crater, Pinatubo Crater Lake?
It was worth the trek.
Great.
Yeah.
Great views. Great view. Amazing place. And most amazing place in Philippines.
Wow!
First time ko din dito. So ayan guys, pabalik na kami sa aming sasakyan. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. See you my next vlog. Bye bye!